I want to install Windows XP on this 20-year-old and more console. So here is the idea. I'm not making this anything that may cause bad things to my channel. This is educational purpose only. Let's go to the computer to make something for this console. Now the disk is inside the disk drive in the computer. We launch ImgBurn to make this CD ISO, convert it to ISO file and save it on the computer. Now it's reading it. We don't need it binary, we need it an ISO file. And we press save. Now making it. Yes. Okay. It's starting to. Do you think will it run on the PlayStation 2? I think that is a bad sector, so I'll give it more time. If it's failed, I have another disk of Windows XP. I put another disk in. It gives an error too, so I have an ISO. I installed it from the internet, so I will put it on the USB instead of these old CDs. No, the ISO I downloaded is better. It's Search Pack 3, not Search Pack 2. Because these CDs failed. To be fair, this is a modded PS2. So this is educational purpose only. Now we go to WLaunch ELF. Now we go to file browser. Then mass. Then this bushes. I don't know how to pronounce this. We go to binary and this. I ran to some error. I will put a USB keyboard to try to fix. If not, I will try another thing. I troubleshooted and edited a txt file, so I will see if this works. So let's go. Let's go. It runs. Wait a minute. It's configured. I will cut the video and see if it works. I think it doesn't work. So Windows XP phase, let's try Windows 98. I have an eyes of it. Last try. But with Windows 98. Oh no. How to change it using a controller? It's now in a loop. So I gonna give it a fail. I don't know if it should have the PS2 keyboard made for the PS2, not the computer port. Any recommendation? Comment down below the video. And sorry for the shaky camera. It's a phone camera. I don't have a camera and a capture card. So subscribe. Do you want a revenge video trying to restore another OS on this PS2? Subscribe for more.